Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Wash your hands and confirm the Vagisan tube is unexpired and sealed. Once done, open the applicator and attach it securely to the tube. Make sure to remove the cap and prime by squeezing gently until product appears. Lie back or elevate one leg for access. This improves placement. Apply a modest amount into the applicator. A 2-3 cm fill is usually sufficient. You're doing the first essential steps correctly to ensure hygienic, effective application. Once the applicator is positioned about 3-4 cm in, depress the plunger slowly to release the Vagisan gel. This avoids discomfort and ensures even distribution. Make sure to keep breathing calmly and pause if you need to adjust angle. Withdraw the applicator with a steady motion, and if you like, press the labia gently to help spread the product. Allow the gel to settle for a few minutes before standing. This helps the moisturizing effect reach tissues where it's needed. After application, remove any excess from the vulva with a tissue and either discard single-use applicators or clean reusable ones per the product leaflet. Ensure caps are replaced and the tube stored at room temperature. If you notice burning, severe discomfort, or unusual discharge, stop using Vagisan and contact your healthcare provider. If progress stalls after a week or symptoms worsen, seek medical advice. Otherwise, continue as directed. Consistency is key to restoring comfort and.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.